climate change is our generation's greatest challenge.
And when it comes to mobility,
going for all electric is the immediate solution to reducing carbon emissions.
Thanks to political momentum, industry transformation, and user awareness,
the movement toward electric vehicles is now in full force,
creating an unprecedented demand for battery cells in Europe, where supply has yet to keep up.
Verkor is a new kind of battery cell manufacturing.
sustainable at its core,
born to amplify and accelerate production of electric vehicles and stationary storage.
Launched in 2020 during the global pandemic.
When time was frozen and systems in place were questioned.
We, a core team of industry leaders and international battery experts,
reasserted our ambition to act now and create a pulse in the industry.
For a better tomorrow,
we achieve manufacturing excellence with the best diesel-native process
and data architecture to reach ultra-efficiency, profitability and reliability.
We design tailor-made approaches that are able to minimize environmental footprint.
Because digital, smart, technological, green and clean are contemplated altogether.
Our first Gigafactory is set to launch in France with the target of producing over 50 gigawatt-hour in 2030.
As we progressively open more of the facility internationally,
we will always be equipped with the same proactive mindset,
giving a new impulse to the local ecosystem.
We believe in people creating positive social impact.
We are resource conscious and put stewardship and ethics first throughout the value chain.
Our talented team is dynamic and diverse,
sharing the values that are driving us and a creative spirit that will make us move mountains.
With long-term challenges in mind.
And through a strong European ecosystem of partners and sponsors.
Verkor creates real momentum to build the future together.
Verkor, batteries now for the future.